you guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Costa here, and welcome to Lady Gaston Plans. So I am bringing my digital planning back. I have my iPad out here, and normally I would not do a voiceover for this type of video. However, I didn't want to make it real long, and I just wanted to go on and get straight to the point. So I am using the GoodNotes app here on my iPad, and I am getting ready to choose the layout that I want to use for my planning layout, my Plan With Me layout for the week of April 29th through May the 5th. So we're leaving 1 month and we're going into a new month, and I chose to use the digital stickers from Jenell. This is a sticker sheet that I purchased from her a while ago related to spring, so I chose that to use as my decor. And I am also using some day headers that I created from my own digital sticker collection. So you guys are going to watch me create my digital planning layout for the week, and I just want to jump in on this voiceover to say hello to you all, and I hope you enjoy watching me set up this decorative plan, and I will come in at the end of the video or towards the end of the video to close it out. All right, bye for now. Okay, you guys, I'm jumping back in to let you know this is the part of where I went into my folder for Gold Mine and Cocoa digital stickers. I wanted some functional scripts to put on my decorative spread, and I remembered that I could get some out of one of the digital sticker books by Gold Mine and Cocoa. So I opened up the Elevated and Sophisticated sticker book, and that is where I am grabbing these functional script words to add here on this digital decorative layout. And I think those words that I chose, those scripts that I chose, fit perfect. So I just want to jump in real quick to let you know where these stickers were coming from. All right, you guys, that is all for this particular video. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you like it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will hit that subscription button as well as that little bell notification right next to it so you can become a part of my family. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up by liking this video and leaving me a comment down there in the comment section. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye for now.